This is used basically if you want to execute, say, some report. For example, ABL5N only, ABLN1N for vendor reports.
Hmm.
So for this vendor, if I want to see open items as on date, so here I need to execute and I may have to wait for 1 hour if there are so many records,
Okay.
right? So instead of
Ah.
doing that, I think what I can do is execute in the background LP01. This is a default printer you need to give LP01, that too in the caps, and execute. So what it is happening, system is scheduling the job in the background. You say immediately and check and save it.
Hmm.
So what system says background job was scheduled for program. This is a program for this report. So anything you use, any report, any transactions, right, that is based on some program. In the front end, we have some T code,
Hmm.
right, to use, but in the background, it is everything is program. Program runs to execute your task. So for this report, ABL1N, we have RF item AP. This is the program. So we have executed it. Now, one thing, once we execute in the background, that will work faster and that would be non-destructive. You can carry out your performance, whatever your task you want to carry out, and that will be working in the background for you. So foreground means what? If you click execute, this is your foreground, right? In the foreground, you can see, you take the action and you see the output. Background means we just scheduled it and it is going to be performed in the background and you can see the output. So where do you see the output? Is go to slash n SM37.
Okay.
So today's date and you are the user who has executed the job. If you know the job name, you give, otherwise leave it blank and execute it. So this is the one we write RFITM AP. This is the one we have just executed and this is finished because the data was very less.
Okay.
So it didn't take even 1 second also.
Hmm.
You rest. Okay, so how do you see? You click on this spool icon and then click on the type ABAP list and you can see it like this. Okay,
Okay.
if you want to print, you can print from here, or if you want to download, okay, if you want to download to Excel, you can download from here. Same thing we saw last time. So
Ah.
select
The-
in clipboard, go here, open your sheet, paste it here. So
Hmm.
you get this weird data. So you have to format it. Go